You searched how to buy shares of Corp Inmobiliaria Vesta Sab de CV. Vesta is a Mexican industrial real estate company listed on NASDAQ as VTMX. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker VTMX to find the stock listing. Select the entry that matches Corp Inmobiliaria Vesta Sab de CV to ensure it is the correct asset. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the displayed name and ticker to make sure you are on the right stock page. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as pending, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your VTMX position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. Check the description for the eToro example link if you want to follow these same steps.